Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are enjoying. Today we are going to learn about alternator. Alternator converts mechanical power to AC electric power. The source of mechanical power, the prime mover, may be a diesel engine, a steam turbine, a water turbine, or any similar device. We are running steam turbine in thermal power plant for rotating alternator, which produces electricity. So how do alternator produce electricity? First of all, we will learn quickly the basic working. We all know when any conductor loop rotates across magnetic field, it cuts magnetic field, which causes voltage to be induced in the loop. If the loop forms a closed circuit, current starts flowing through it, and finally to load. In an alternator, reverse arrangement is used. Magnetic field is rotated using prime mover. Here, in thermal power plant, it is steam turbine, and the voltage induced in static coils. The amount of induced voltage depends on strength of magnetic field. Higher the field, higher is voltage. Number of loops. Higher the loops, higher is the voltage. Speed of the loop. Higher the speed, higher is the voltage. The voltage induced is AC, and one cycle is equal to one rotation. In alternator, DC current is fed to rotor windings through slip rings mounted on rotor. This produces the rotating magnetic field. This magnetic field cuts the stator windings where AC voltage is induced. This power is sent to generator transformer. From there, it goes to switchyard and then to grid, transmission lines. Finally at your home, where you can enjoy watching TV. Now, let us see what are the major parts of alternator. Now, let us see where is alternator used in thermal power plant. you enjoyed the video. See you then, bye.